Dito tayo sa Tauranga, New Zealand. Lalabas kami ng space. Aking chief engineer. Ayun ay gagala kami para makapag-relax sa labas. Kita niyo puro kahoy yun.
Yes sir, until what time Seaman's Club open service?
The project closes about 7 or 8 p.m.
Oh, 8 p.m. Thank you.
Mga kahoy.
Because I think the mall is until 9 o'clock.
Tonight, yeah, because it's late night shopping.
Dalawa na kami kasi yung iba nauna na.
New Zealand #1 in lugs supplier, huh?
And what?
#1 lugs supplier.
I think that and dairy milk is probably our two main exports.
Yeah. Pasok muna kami dito sa may parang Seaman's Mission. Seaman's Mission. Seaman's Mission. May libre daw ng sombrero dito sir. Good afternoon.
Do you have a card?
Card for
No, like this is class.
oh, we
We
have
can make no, we can make one for you. Can you fill up? Yeah.
yes.
Your full name as in your passport.
But I don't have a passport.
No, never mind. Your full name you can. Oh, you're Captain.
This one's are before?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the one we're looking
I've been
for.
here before.
You have been here before, yeah?
Yeah.
The picture. Then your ship name. What's the old name? Do you know?
Seaman's Club.
No, the oldest.
Seaman's Mission.
Isang
Pwede ka pahinga sa Lambay. Tauranga, New Zealand. Hilva ba? Ito yung loob ng Seaman's Club. Seaman's Mission. Mga recreation, sports naman. Gusto mo dito na maglaro. Magpa-relax, pwede. Pwede ka mag-billiard, pwede rin. Maglaro ng piano. Yan. Pero yung mga kasama namin nandun na sa mall. Maghihintay na kami ng service para magsundo sa amin dito. Lahat ng to rito ay libre. So, kung gusto mo kumuha, pinapayagan ka nilang kumuha para mababasahin. So, I think it's a part of Christian community here. Ayan.
You can buy that when you come back. If you go and carry it with you, when you come back, you can buy whatever you want. Yeah, exactly.
How much lotion?
Which solution?
Maybe on the corner. At the corner.
In the corner.
No, not that one.
Yung mga pupunta dito, nag-iwan ng souvenir o naglalagay ng pera nila. Ayan o.
Yeah, that's what I was asking you. I just saw that.
Halos Philippine money na nga yung nandito. Philippine money na halos sir.
Mga marino eh.
Puro seaman, puro Pinoy oh.
Seafarers, if you're doing buying clothing, please look where it's made because most of our clothing here is
Seaman's
made in
Mission.
Vietnam or Bangladesh or China or India.
Billiard kami rito ni sir sa ano. Yo!
Ay, lakas naman.
Ayos, ang ganda naman ito. Good. Oh! Para pa pa.
This.
Pag masaya, pwede mo
Titing. Oh, shit sana oh.
Kaya nga.
Shit. Oh.
Yari talaga. Kabilaan pa talaga. Goods.
Oh.
Oy.
Ng titing naman. Pasok sana 8 dito oh.
Ayan na eh. Hmm?
Ginagawa talaga nila yun pang ano. May Islam.
Ngayon ay pupunta na kami sa mall at hinatid kami ng aming service. Titingin kami doon ng mga anong matipuhan namin. Makursonadahan. Ayan yung kanila dito. Simple lang yung lugar nila. Walang pulubi. Walang basura. May train sila. Ayan, ang galing.
Walang usok,
Ah.
walang amoy,
Walang.
basura, walang makita. Hindi katulad sa
Meron din palang pulubi. Yung konti lang. May pulubi din doon.
sa lakam. Ano tamad yun?
Mga bahay, simple lang bahay, maliliit lang Ay, kailangan malaki ng bahay, malaking bahay. Ay, maliliit ang bahay nila bahay nila ang ganda ng bahay nila, simple lang Sa atin dun, palakihan
Mga puno nila rito. Trim.
May golf course. Gervin Road, Hamilton, Motora, Wakathani.
Dito ba yung bilihan ng vape?
Bayfair. Ay, parmasi na doon sa kabila, sir.
Saan? Dito,
Di-
dito.
Dinaanan natin yung parmasi kanina. Doon, sir. Doon.
Tara, tara.
Bili kami dito ng McDo sa New Zealand. Sige lang kasi. Gusto lang, sir. Okay. Ano lang, try ko cheeseburger, sir, o double cheeseburger? O sige, double cheese tayo. Combo, sir, para may drink na. Combo. Dalawang combo, sir. O, pag-isa tayo. Ano ba ito magkakayo nito? Medium? Anong size, sir? Medium, small, o large? Large, may panis na. So, $13. $13? Oo. Dalawa kayo, sir. Ikaw muna, sir. Ako na, sir. Anong drinks mo? Anong drinks mo po? Alam ko may coke na yun. Pero coke ba, Fanta, or Sprite, or balik orange juice? Orange juice, ano? Orange juice sa'yo. May bayad pa. Small na lang, small. Yung small na lang bayad. No cup. No taste, no cup. Okay, sir. Add order, dalawa. Large fries. No, okay. Add order. Added. And sir? Habang kung nasa saan ba yung bayad dito? Oo nga po, paano nga bang bayad dito? Ako, sige dito. Sa ano yun? Sa PWD ata ito, 50 $. Okay. Ano ba ito? Bak. Eat in. Pay now. Pay now. Cash voucher. Cash voucher lang. I-cash lang natin, Try natin. Ikot muna kami. Kung sana, nagsasabi tayo kanina na punta tayo ng beach. Kaya hatid naman sana tayo doon. Oo. Dito tayo na. Ha? Walking tayo.
Lakarin na lang natin.
Ha? E paano tayo babalik mamaya? Alas 7.
Kasi pahatid tayo mamaya alas 7. Pa-beach muna tayo.
Kaya nga eh. Uwi na kami at sinundo na kami ng driver.
I've got a
Dun
swimming
sa
pool
Simmons
at home.
Mission. At siya
But it's
nag-recommend
protected
sa
from
amin
the
na dapat
Oh, it's
experience
windy.
namin dito
Yeah.
yung mountain
I don't.
nila.
I've got
At
lots of trees
maganda daw yung
around,
mga beach dito.
and the wind doesn't affect
So
me.
plano namin baka bukas babalik kami rito. Wala pang tulog. Yung mga bahay dito. Ang galing. Mga bahay.
Mababa yung vlog mo ha.
Sir?
Mababa.
Kaya nga po. I-edit na lang.
Here place, this place is not so crowded. So very nice in
Yes.
This town, sir,
outing.
it's like just the number of house here.
Yep.
That's not like a crowded compared to other place.
That's right.
Too many houses, but people only few.
Yes, but these houses are very expensive.
Very
Yeah?
expensive.
Yes. Mount
Wow.
Maunganui is a very popular place to live.
High class person, huh?
Lots of money.
Yes.
Good job. We've been living here a long time.